Zenith Instrument Co. Limited was founded in 2005, and it has become an industry-leading provider of testing process solutions for DC fans, motors, and cooling modules after more than 10 years of development, adhering to the business philosophy of providing cost-effective products and services. The main products of ZMI include DC fan and motor dynamic balance test series, DC fan and motor performance test series, and heat dissipation module, product thermal efficiency test series. We take the initiative to embrace the trend of industrial automation, develop a variety of automatic testing equipment, providing integrated measurement and control solutions for DC fans, motors, cooling modules and related electronic manufacturing fields. ZMI build up modern management through ERP, MTS, after-sales SaaS and other first-class modern production and management methods. 5S management system was also established to control the manufacturing and testing process of each product. By setting up Global Service Center, we can quickly respond to after-sales service. ZMI has obtained good market reputation in East Asia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and other overseas markets with excellent products and perfect service. ZMI attaches great importance to innovation, continuously invests in research and development. The company has obtained more than 70 patents in this field, successively passed the certification of ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and other international systems, won the 5-star after-sales service rating, obtaining the recognition of national and industry standards. There are more than 160 employees in our family, among which R&D personnel account for more than 60%. We provide resources for talent and encourage people to grow together. Juamao is committed to the R&D, design, manufacturing, debugging and inspection of each product. We insist constantly break through ourselves, optimize product structure, improve testing efficiency, provide the first-class products and service to help to achieve better life. Our product applications include automotive, military, household appliances, 3C digital, communication equipment, aircraft and other fields, committed to improve quality of product, from research, development, production, manufacturing, testing and other processes, servicing more than 50 different industries. Zenith Instrument has been recognized by more than 500 cooperative customers with its outstanding products, professional service. Excellence comes from perseverance. Brilliant is the honor of team cooperation. Zenith Instrument will continue to pay attention to customer needs, keep innovating, strive for the grand goal of becoming the first-class domestic and world-renowned enterprise.